Last week, a mechanic quoted me $800 for a repair. I asked AI to check the same problem. It saved me $650. Here's exactly what happened and how you can do this too. My check engine light came on 3 days ago. Normally, I drive straight to the mechanic and hope for the best. But this time, I tried something different. I used AI to diagnose the problem before spending a single dollar. And what I discovered changed everything I thought I knew about car repairs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to diagnose your car problems, avoid overpriced repairs, and know when a mechanic is being honest with you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get your car's error code. When your check engine light turns on, your car stores an error code. This code tells you exactly what's wrong. Yet most people don't know this code exists. I didn't either until last week. You can read this code yourself using a simple tool called an OBD2 scanner. You can buy one online for $20 to $30, or you can go to most auto parts stores. Places like AutoZone or O'Reilly will scan your car for free. It takes 2 minutes. They plug the scanner into a port under your steering wheel. The scanner shows a code like P0171 or P0300. Write it down. This code is your starting point. Step 2. Ask AI what this code means. Here's where it gets interesting. I took my code, which was P0420, and asked ChatGPT what it meant. The AI explained it in plain English. P0420 means your catalytic converter isn't working efficiently. But here's the key part. AI didn't just tell me what was wrong, it told me what could be causing it. For a P0420 code, there are usually 3 possible causes. 1, your catalytic converter is actually failing. That's the expensive fix. 2, you have a bad oxygen sensor. That's much cheaper. 3, you have an exhaust leak. That's even cheaper to fix. The mechanic only mentioned option 1, the $800 option. AI gave me all 3 possibilities in 10 seconds. Step 3. Ask AI the right follow-up questions. This is where most people stop. But I went further. I asked the AI how to test which problem I actually had. The AI walked me through simple checks I could do myself. For the oxygen sensor, it told me to check the live data from my OBD2 scanner while the engine was running. If the sensor readings were frozen or showing weird numbers, that was my problem. For the exhaust leak, it told me to listen for hissing sounds near the exhaust pipes when the car was running. I did both tests. My oxygen sensor readings looked normal, but I heard a clear hissing sound near my exhaust manifold. That meant I likely had an exhaust leak. A local muffler shop fixed it for $150. Problem solved. Check engine light off. I saved $650 because I asked AI before trusting one quote. Step 4. Use AI to verify repair quotes. Let's say you already got a quote from a mechanic. You can use AI to check if it's fair. I tested this with a friend last month. She got quoted $1,200 for new brake pads and rotors on all 4 wheels. I asked AI what a fair price should be for her car model. AI said the parts should cost around $300. The labor should be another $200 to $400 depending on location. Total fair price, $500 to $700. She was being overcharged by at least $500. She went to a different mechanic, got it done for $680. AI helped her spot the overcharge instantly. Step 5. Ask AI about preventive maintenance. Isn't just for fixing problems. It's amazing for preventing them. I asked ChatGPT to create a maintenance schedule for my specific car model. It gave me a month-by-month checklist. When to check tire pressure, when to change oil, when to inspect brakes, when to replace air filters, everything tailored to my car. I also asked it what problems my car model is known for. It told me that my model has issues with ignition coils around 70,000 miles. I'm at 68,000 now. That warning means I can watch for symptoms and catch the problem early. Early detection means cheaper repairs. Sometimes it means avoiding a breakdown completely. Step 6. Learn what mechanics don't want you to know. Here's something AI taught me that shocked me. Many common repairs have cheaper alternatives. Mechanics don't always tell you about them. For example, if your battery dies, a mechanic might say you need a new one immediately. But AI told me that many batteries can be recharged if they haven't completely failed. You can test this with a multimeter. If the voltage is above 11 volts, it might just need a charge. That's free versus $150 for a new battery. Another example? Transmission fluid flushes. Some mechanics recommend them every 30,000 miles. AI showed me that many car manufacturers say 50,000 to 100,000 miles is fine. That's one unnecessary service you can skip. Knowledge like this adds up to thousands in savings over time. Bonus tip: use AI to translate. Mechanic speak. Ever had a mechanic explain something and felt completely lost? You're not alone. Mechanics sometimes use technical terms that confuse customers. Whether it's intentional or not, it makes you feel like you have to trust whatever they say. Here's my trick. After a mechanic explains the problem, I ask them to write down exactly what's wrong. Then I take that explanation and paste it into ChatGPT. I ask AI to translate it into simple terms and tell me if the repair is necessary right now or if it can wait. This has saved me multiple times from agreeing to repairs I didn't need immediately. AI acts like a second opinion that's always available, for free, in seconds. So let's recap what we covered. Use an OBD2 scanner to get your car's error codes. Ask AI what the code means and what the possible causes are. Use AI to guide you through simple diagnostic tests. Verify any repair quotes with AI before paying. Create a preventive maintenance schedule with AI for your specific car. And use AI to translate confusing mechanic explanations. These 6 steps will save you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars every year. The best part? You don't need to be a car expert. You just need to ask the right questions. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe so you never miss another money-saving car tip. And drop a comment telling me what car problem you want me to tackle next. Remember, your check engine light is not your enemy. Ignoring it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.